The first four icons of the Edit menu are the case change toolbar icons: lowercase, uppercase, capitalize, and small caps. This icon allows you to configure autocorrect options. Click here to enable and disable autocorrect. Click on Autocorrect options to see the available autocorrect and autoformat options. You can use this icon to convert text to table. You can also insert, delete, merge, and split cells, rows, and columns by using the right-click action of your mouse on the table. Note that undo action after pasting an entire cell may not give consistent results. If there are notes and source information associated with this table, ensure that the table body, table notes, and the table source are grouped together. The individual notes and source should be tagged appropriately.